So just a quick recap on what actually just happened in the last few videos. This part here equals to about, oh sorry, not the Camtasia, the Visual Studio here. We're just quickly going to go through this. So I'm just going to quickly remove this video so you can actually see what this does. Save, go to browser, and then it's just blank, of course. This is right now because the footer has no background color. So if I just added my background color to this, whatever, let's not go something blue, green, aqua, that's the one I want. Aquamarine, there we go. So aquamarine has now been added. As you can see, the video kind of has nothing to do with the SVG in this case, because we're only using the SVG as a mask on top of the video. That's the reason why we also moved this one outside of this. The SVG in this case is only the mask and the on top layer. The structure of it is still part of the footer because we have our grid system with 300 high and then all the way over with the naming of the footer. And then we're just in here creating a definition where we're saying it needs to be a mask. And we have a rectangle that goes from one end to the other, so it fills the entire available space. And in here we have some text. It is being placed on the X and Y axis. Right now 50% in, so I can change this around to 30, 60. And now they'll be like moved between, that's almost a nice fit for that one. So they'll be moved, starting point on that X will change, and here the same, if I change this to 40, 95, there will be more space between them. So they're moving aside, away from each other. So this is just the ways that it's being used. So it's building really heavily upon XY. I don't know if there's a ZX, I haven't tested. So for 3D possibly, but I don't think there is. And we're just, by using this auto, basically 100%, it's going to rely on the parent. Again, the parent being the footer here. So SVG was only the mask, just to clarify that. And to make the video go in here, we're just having a positioned video, so it's just behind. Oh, I have to save, of course. So the video is just behind this footer, and I need to remove the background color again. So it actually is there. Video is at -1 ZNX, and the mask is at 0, basically. That's the default. And this is why we can do things like this. So I hope that explanation helped a little bit more.